as a bridge between heritage and future. So Slow Food actually shares a lot of the same principles as we have at Food Literacy Center. We define food literacy as understanding the impact of food choices on your health, environment, and economy, and understanding that those impacts are not equitably experienced. So at Terra Madre Americas, we're going to be celebrating not only the delicious food, but also really digging deep into these issues to understand why those food choices we make are going to have an impact throughout our health, our economy, and the environment.
Because of the nature of the conference, because it's free, right, then that gives us exposure to a lot of people. And once they're here, they're really going to start to see and celebrate the things that are responsibly done in the way that Slow Food, appreciates things. It's one thing to buy something in a grocery store. It's one thing to source it very specifically because it's exceptional. But it's an entirely different process to meet the person that makes it, standing in front of you with their product, celebrating it, and letting you understand what makes it special.
The Americas are going to be celebrated at this event. And so imagine how many amazing regions this encompasses. Everything from Oaxaca to Alaska. There's just so many unique things to learn about our food.
I think that's a really important part about Terra Madre Americas is it's a group of like-minded people coming together in one place that are from all over the world. And you have common ground immediately when you get here.